वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 8th इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 4 डेंजर इन दार्जिलिंग में कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ फेलुदा। फेलुदा, the iconic detective created by renowned Indian filmmaker and author Satyajit Roy, is the protagonist of a series of Bengali detective stories. Here's a character sketch of Feluda. Name Pradosh Chandra Mitra, popularly known as Feluda. Occupation Private Detective. Physical appearance Feluda is tall and athletic, with sharp, experienced eyes that reflect his intelligence and alertness. He has a calm demeanor, and his physical fitness enables him to handle difficult situations, sometimes requiring strength. Fourth, personality traits. Sharp intellect. Feluda is extremely intelligent and known for his logical reasoning. Methodical. Feluda approaches cases in a highly methodical manner. He relies on his intellect, memory, and reasoning rather than brute force. Courageous. He is brave and fearless in the face of danger. Feluda never hesitates to confront criminals. Skills Excellent deductive reasoning. Much like Sherlock Holmes, Feluda has an extraordinary ability to deduce solution from seemingly minor clues. Martial art expert. Feluda is skilled in martial arts, specifically jujutsu, which he uses to defend himself and others when necessary. Sixth, relationship with Topsy. Topsy, Tapesh Ranjan Mitra, is Feluda's cousin and serve as his assistant. Feluda play the role of the mentor to the young, inquisitive Topsy, teaching him the nuances of detective work. The two share a close bond, with Topsy often providing moral support, narrating the stories, and helping Feluda in small ways during investigations. Seventh, relationship with Jatayu. Lal Mohan Ganguly, better known as Jatayu, is a writer of crime thrillers who becomes a close friend and often accompanies Feluda and Topsy on their adventures. Jatayu provides comic relief in the stories, and despite his lack of detective skills, Feluda is fond of him and often appreciates his contributions. Eighth, hobbies and interests. Reading. Feluda is an avid reader with a particular interest in detective novels and literature from around the world. Solving puzzles. He enjoys solving puzzles and brain treasures, a hobby that aligns with his professional as a detective. Travel. Many of Feluda's cases take him across India and beyond, and he enjoys learning about the history and culture of the places he visits. Conclusion. Feluda is a blend of intellect, physical agility, and wit. His moral integrity, curiosity, and love for adventure make him one of the most beloved and timeless detective characters in Indian literature. His character appeals to reader of all ages due to his relatable personality, sharp mind, and exciting cases that take place across diverse settings.
पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।